Hey guys, how's it going? How to find ideal matches using search on elite singles. First of all, set your preferences. Specify criteria such as age, location, education, and interest to refine your search, and use available filters to narrow down profiles based on factors that matter most to you, e.g., lifestyle, relationship goals, and review compatibility scores and explore profile details. Read through profile descriptions and interests to gauge potential connections beyond the basic info. Be open to suggestions. Check the recommended matches section, as the platform often suggests profile based on your preferences. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.